Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabrielle if you are new here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my high maintenance routine. These are the things that I do every single week or every other week to maintain glowing skin, healthy hair, and white teeth. So if you're interested in learning more, then make sure to keep on watching. And I would love to have you subscribe to this channel if you're looking at glowing up, becoming the best version of yourself, and love luxury beauty and makeup and skincare. If you don't want to miss a video, make sure to hit the bell notification. I post every Monday and Friday. This is week 4 of our 12-week Ultimate Glow Up Challenge. There are things that I do every week or every other week that are a little bit more indulgent, a little bit more high maintenance, but give you an ultimate glow to your hair, your skin, your nails, and more. So I'm very excited to share all of the tips today. Make sure to comment down below what your high maintenance routine is. I'd love to hear it. So first thing, something that I do every single week is my everything shower. And this is high maintenance because I am in there for a long time. This includes your deep body exfoliation. I love using a salt scrub or a sugar scrub. Both are absolutely great. The ones that I love, if you're more interested in salt, are the Osea Salt of the Sea scrub. I also like a sugar scrub, and the one that I like is the Josie Maran sugar scrub. And they have so many different scents to whatever season or scent preference you prefer, but those are amazing body exfoliations. I also like to do a full mask, a really deep conditioning hair mask. This also includes shaving, but I've recently actually started epilating, and that's basically like hundreds of tiny little tweezers pulling out your hair from the root so that you have less hair growth and that your hair returning isn't so spiky as it is when you shave. I've actually been really loving that. Also love a good deep conditioning hair mask. I actually recently just started using a pre-shampoo hair mask, which you of course apply to damp hair before you shampoo. You leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll hop in the shower, dampen my hair, apply the mask, hop out, and then just like do some additional things. My everything shower is the ultimate reset for the week ahead. I typically do this right before I start my shift rotation, and so I don't really have a set date that I do it. It's not like every Sunday or every Saturday. Pick a certain date to do your everything shower. The next thing I do, part of my high maintenance routine, is teeth whitening. I do teeth whitening at home just because I find it more cost effective and a lot quicker. I find this has been the easiest thing for me. I will do this once or twice a week, just depending on how many levels of whiteness I want to advance to. So sometimes I'll do it every single week until I reach my desired whiteness, and then I'll give myself a little bit of a break. It makes your smile look so bright. I smile so much more because I'm so much more confident of the color of my teeth. So I do this every single week. I do have to leave it in for about an hour, so you can't eat or drink anything except for water when you have them in. So I usually will put them on and do some chores around the house. My third high maintenance routine that I do every other week is my Qure micro-infusion kit. This is an at-home microneedling kit. It is so incredible at giving your skin those professional results that you would in a med spa, but in the comforts of your own home. I love using my micro-infusion kit, and I have been doing it at night before I go to bed. The reason why you want to do this every other week is because there are a couple modifications you're going to need to make to your skincare routine and your routine in general to ensure that you get the most optimal results while also staying safe. Because you're injecting little tiny needles into your skin and causing a little bit of micro trauma, you need to be very careful of the aftercare and pre-care. But the great thing about doing micro needling or micro infusion, you are helping to boost and promote collagen production, and you're infusing your skin with so many amazing ingredients. So there's 2 different serums that this kit includes. There are 3 of the Hydra Soothing, which is really great at minimizing the looks of fine lines and wrinkles and giving hyperhydration to your skin while also soothing any redness. And the other one that I love is Rejuvenating, and Rejuvenating is really great at addressing signs of hyperpigmentation and spots and evening out skin tone for a brighter looking complexion. I have used both and I love them both equally. You'll also notice that immediately after your skin might be a little bit red, which mine usually is, but the time that I wake up in the morning, my skin is flawless. So I did it 2 days ago and my skin is looking super glowy, fresh, and radiant, and I am obsessed with the results. I also love that you get 6 treatments for less than the cost of a single one in a med spa. The things I do want to mention as a note is when you do use a micro-infusion, you want to make sure that you're not using active ingredients like exfoliating acids or retinol prior or 3 days after using your micro-infusion kit, just because your skin is more susceptible. You want to use instead really calming, nourishing, and hydrating ingredients. So I want to make sure that you don't apply makeup for up to 24 hours after the treatment, just to give your skin a little bit of a break. So make sure you wait a full day before applying your makeup. The next thing that I do as part of my high maintenance routine is face shaving. And this I do probably every other week as well. And I make sure to space it out with my micro infusion because you don't want to cause too much exfoliation or abrasion to the skin. So I will usually swap the weeks. And face shaving, I only recently started in the last like few months, and it has completely changed my skin glow and makeup application. Basically takes away the peach fuzz and is like a gentle exfoliation to the skin. I love doing this. Now, I don't have a particularly large amount of peach fuzz on my face, but it does make my skin so incredibly smooth, and my makeup afterwards applies like silk. Like everything just glides on so beautifully. I have more dew and juice and plumpness to my skin, so I definitely recommend trying face shaving. Proceed with caution. It takes a little bit of time to get used to. I did kind of have some like little micro cuts in my face when I did it the first time, just because you have to get used to the angling. So if you are a little bit nervous about doing it, then maybe you could seek a professional to do it for you. But once you get the hang of it, watch a couple videos as a tutorial, I have found such great benefit to it. Also, just a little bit of a note is that to keep things super sanitary, I always change the heads every single time just to keep it really, really clean and avoid risk of like infection or cross-contamination. The next thing that I do every single week is hair glossing. This is a new thing that I have discovered, and I say it's high maintenance because it does require a little bit of extra effort. You have to hop in the shower, wash your hair, hop out, towel dry it, then apply the gloss, and then you have to wait 1 to 2 minutes. I use the Qure gloss, hop back in the shower and rinse it all out, then condition. So you are going in and out of the shower, which I find is a little bit high maintenance, but your hair will be so glossy. It literally makes your hair look incredibly shiny, so glossy, so healthy. Highly recommend doing this. It is a game changer for your hair. Every other week, I also do a scalp oil treatment. I do this to help invigorate my scalp, promote hair growth, promote a healthier environment for my scalp. And you can either apply this and leave it on for several hours, or apply it and then leave it on overnight and then do your hair wash routine the next morning. Again, it's kind of high maintenance because it requires a little bit of strategic planning, but your hair will thank you for it. Your scalp will thank you for it. Keeps your scalp hydrated, healthy, and a great environment for healthy hair growth. The oils that I love are the miel, rosemary, and mint scalp oil, and then I also really like the Asian Nacha Holy Locks hair oil, which is another treatment scalp oil. So those are really great. Also, every other week is a manicure. I love maintaining nice polished nails. Now, you don't have to get your nails color polished, but I think doing a bi-weekly nail routine, whether you do it in a salon or at home, is critical to just having well-maintained nails. So that could be trimming your cuticles, giving a nice file or cut and shape to your nails. You can do a hand mask and then follow it up with a hand serum, moisturizer, and cuticle oil. Nails are going to look so beautiful. I actually just got mine done in this bright red, which I love. Those are all of my high maintenance weekly and bi-weekly treatments. If there's anything that you do weekly or bi-weekly as part of your routine, I'd love to hear what those are. Leave them down in the comment section below. As a reminder, make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and hit the bell notification for more videos like this. Bye everyone.